Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you on how to know, and in today's video I will show you on how to find out if you can monetize your Instagram account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram app. Then having opened up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom side right here. Click on that and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Then it take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you see account status. Click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on monetization. And you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on monetization policy. Then you will be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on ineligible country or region. Click on here. And you will be taken right here. Now, if your country is under ineligible, you will see something like this, ineligible country or region. But if your country is in eligible country, your monetization status is going to show. What you need to do is to simply request a review if you are fully meet up with the Instagram monetization criteria. You can simply click on see partner monetization policy right here for detail about how to monetize your Instagram account, and if you are eligible, what are the steps you need to take into consideration before you can fully monetize your Instagram and start earning money with your content on Instagram. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.